Hi, and welcome to simtree. We are going to set up the system for the first time. So this is what you would see after signing in the first time as an admin user. To the right, you have the user guide. Here you can read on different subjects in the system, like initial configuration. So first we will go to settings, and we are on the contact center tab, and we will add your first contact center. I will name it my center, like that, and save. After saving, the icon for importing employees becomes visible, and here you can click. And here you can select a file to import. The file should be a CSV file with fields like this. So it supports name, email address, number of work hours, and other things like address and so on. And you can also read the specification on the field in more detail like that. Before we do that, we will examine the file to import. So we go to the browser and look into employee import demo CSV. If I click on this CSV file, it will open up in Microsoft Excel. So on the first line, you should have the headings like that. And the first field is the employee name. Then it's the agreed work hours. And then there is the email address. It does not necessarily need to be an email address, but it needs to be something that is unique and also unique among any user in simtree. You can specify minimum and maximum work and the max days in a row, max weekends in a row, night rest, and address, phone number, and employee number. And the only thing you really need to enter is a name and the email address. The other things you can add on later if you like. So I close that, and we will also see how that file looks in Notepad in a text editor. So I just drag it into Notepad. And here you can see it's a comma separated file. Also semicolon separated files are allowed. So back into the system and click on the icon again. And we will import that very file we just looked at, like that. And it becomes visible here, and we press execute. And the file was imported, and in this import info section you can expand and see more details about the file. So it was imported and 55 employees were imported. Now if you go back to the home page, you will see your new contact center as an icon, and here you can click on that and start scheduling. So we will look into the scheduling another day. So we go back to settings, and you can also enter new users. So you have a default user for the admin, but you can add more users as you like. And give them a password, and with the notify checkbox, they say this user will be notified and welcome to simtree. So I click away that. And for the new user, you can edit the rights for forecasting, scheduling, reports, settings, and so. In the task type section, you can enter your task to be used. So it defaults to one operator task, but you can add tasks like a supervisor. And set another color for that. And perhaps another percentage of work efficiency when working as supervisor. and then you can save that. So these are the most important settings in SimTree. We will go through more details in other sections here. Thank you.